I'm very proud and privileged to be a part of the community. It's a really tight, very supportive community, and we'll tell you, it allows for a different kind of storytelling than film or television, and it is an artistic level that's different on either of those levels, and it's incredibly dangerous. I don't know. No, I mean, a few years ago, I was privileged enough to give the great Edward Albee an award, a lifetime an award, and I will remember that always.
Just sitting back and having fun, and I'm very honored to be presenting an award, so that will be thrilling for me. And just, watching everyone, celebrating all the shows. We've had an amazing season on Broadway, so there's a lot to celebrate and a lot of incredibly gifted people, incredibly talented people that will be part of the show.
Most looking forward to, I don't know, everything, seeing Kevin Spacey host, seeing the amazing musical numbers, seeing all my friends all dressed up, seeing people win, hopefully people that I'm very close to and rooting for, but even if they're not, it's a generous night, and I think the New York theater community is always happy for itself and the rest of the people in it. There isn't quite anything else, like having a live audience and that interaction and having it be different every night. And I feel like we're now much more sectionalized than we've ever been, all with our little screens, and to get 700 people into a theater and put on a play for them. It's an ancient form, and it's one that we're finding in rarer and rarer supply these days. I don't know. Dorothy Loudon. It really stands out. When Dorothy Loudon won as Miss Hannigan in Annie, she didn't think she was going to win, and she was so excited, and she was wearing this big sparkling gown, and the first thing she said when she got up to the podium, she said, "I'm so glad I bought this dress."